Welcome to a rapid-fire guide on all things charcoal. Unmasking the basics, lump charcoal is nature's own, a pure form of carbon, while briquettes are compact contenders holding a uniform shape. Ignite the fire and you'll find lump charcoal leaps into flame, but briquettes burn for the long game. In the flavor face-off, lump charcoal offers a pure and simple profile, while briquettes provide taste consistency. Eco-warriors take note. Lump charcoal's environmental footprint is smaller, but briquettes are on a quest for sustainability. When budgeting for your BBQ, consider that lump charcoal costs more pound for pound, but briquettes offer more bang for your buck. Handling and cleanup? Lump charcoal is lightweight with less ash, whereas briquettes require a bit more mess management. Your menu dictates your choice, with lump charcoal excelling at high heat searing and grilling, while briquettes are stars of smoked and barbecued delights. In conclusion, match your charcoal to your style. Whether you prefer the quick flame of lump charcoal or the enduring burn of briquettes, find your flame and fuel your grill to perfection. And remember, the right choice is always the one that suits your needs best. Happy grilling!